Hey guys, I'm back today. So I think this is my second video on that of this. I'll say yes. It's a yes, I know. Okay. Remember the Nathan the school bus? Okay, we know there's Fates Collide. We'll see what we can find. Hope it's a double thumbs up right that way, I said, Ben. See? Oh, is this? Yes, it is. It's a hollow. Okay, we got a hollow. Let's see. What do we got? Yeah, we do. We have reroll and Fates Collide, so we can do that. There's two types, I believe. This is a promo, so you know which one is XY. So this is Lucario Hollow. So that's new. I'm still looking for the Hitmonchan Hollow. I know it's there. It's supposed to be there. I know I have it. Hitmonchan Hollow. Don't touch it, Ozzy. The dog's right there. So I can show you guys what the card I have what looks like. Looks like it's old, but it's newer version. Guys, my guess is one of your favorite set ever. The answer myself is yes. That's the best one ever to me. Yeah. Trying to look for it. Trying to look. If I want too much of this, that's fine. That's okay. I might find it any minute. How about do like that? I'm not missing any Pokemon cards there, right? No, I'm not. Trying to look for. There's a rare Noivern. That's not the one I'm looking. Still looking. Oh, there's Mega Aerodactyl EX. From my grandma. I'm trying to look for it. That's weird. It's not Wasp. No one stole it. I really loved that card I had. I should have it in here. Oh, it's Mewtwo. I was saying about Mewtwo. The last video I showed you. That showed a picture of it. Okay. You remember? Now you remember from the last video? Remember that? Remember that? No, showing those guys on YouTube. Not you. Just looking for the card I was about to show, but I didn't have enough time. Shit. It's gotta be there somewhere. Right here, so, no. Oh, here's the, oh, I have that, yeah. So I can evolve Seal, evolve into Dugon. Yeah. Both of them are now, so I don't know, I get it now, I get it. Now I get it. Now I remembered I had Reverse Hollow Seal. That was a common. And the other Reverse Hollow is Dugon. So that one, that was a completed reverse. Now we can use that one in battle. So, gotta think about it. I have to think until... Oh, it is Reverse Hollow Dugon. I was saying about that. How weird. There's Seal in regular form. Well... Oh, I got confused. I got confused right there. I thought that was him, but no, it wasn't him. Yeah, we're not gonna find it. We're not gonna find it this time, guys. Yeah, I make that sound when I like to like this, like that. So that's it, guys. Bye.